Yesterday, South Africa announced that it was putting a temporary hold on the rollout of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine after a study showed it was minimally effective at preventing mild to moderate disease caused by a variant first identified in South Africa. This is clearly concerning news. However, there are some important caveats. Given the limited sample size of the trial and the younger, healthier profile of the participants, it's important to determine whether or not the vaccine remains effective in preventing more severe illness. These results are a reminder that we need to do everything we can to reduce circulation of the virus with proven public health measures.
I'll just briefly share with you the reasons behind the South African decision and how we are viewing the situation. While the overall efficacy of the AstraZeneca vaccine was 66% in the largest study that include the UK, Brazil, and South Africa, the South African data on its own showed only 22% efficacy. It should be noted it has a very wide confidence interval that includes even 60% protection in that confidence interval. But that study, which looked at only mild and moderate infections, raised concerns. Not because that we were not expecting some diminishing activity, but it was the level to which it was diminished. And so now we are unclear and uncertain about the efficacy of the vaccine in preventing hospitalization and severe disease. We know from the overall trial that the AstraZeneca vaccine is effective against other pre-existing variants. We're just not confident about its efficacy against the 501YV2 variant. And so we've proposed an alternative approach, a new approach to the way in which to roll out the vaccine. And one proposal that's currently being considered is to roll it out initially just in a stepped manner, where the first step includes about 100,000 individuals that are vaccinated, in which we monitor the hospitalization rates. If they are below the threshold that we are looking for, then we're confident that the vaccine is effective, again, in preventing hospitalization, and then we can roll it out. Alternatively, if it's above that threshold, then we'll need to look at alternatives. So put very simply, we don't want to end up with a situation where we've vaccinated 1 million people or 2 million people with a vaccine that may not be effective in preventing hospitalization and severe disease. All that has been suggested at this point is to delay the rollout of the AstraZeneca vaccine until we have the processes in place to undertake this kind of stepwise implementation approach.